We are exploring this waterfall here. We're going down this path now, and there's a bridge over there with like thing you can stand on. Ooh, there's some flowers over there. Ah, the bees, butterfly, more flowers. Huh? Oh, even more bees. What? Some more. What is this? Can we like stand on it and like do something? I guess. Can I stand on it? I better not fall. Oh look, now we can see a good view over there. And we can go down here. There's no railings on this bridge. Ooh. Which way can we go? Okay. Ooh, can you see that thing again? The waterfall. Those are the other waterfalls. Yeah, let me come a bit closer to zoom in. Nice. Okay, so we walked a bit and now we're over here, and here it looks like a little pond or something, and there's some big giant rocks here. But maybe we can climb on to get a bit better view. Ooh. Ooh, nice. Okay, there's a waterfall right there. And there's some... Wait, where's the butterfly? Oh, nice. Over there, look. Oh, wait. Oh, there's a bee over there. And there's another sign over there. What are those blue things over there? Ooh. Butterflies on my head. Whoa, there's so many butterflies here. It's like a butterfly garden. Whoa. Oh, these are like little plant cages, I think, guys. Whoa, that's a huge butterfly. What? Okay, here's another like waterfall place. Looks really nice, but also it's really steep. Might be able to fall. Yeah. Ooh, there's some purple flowers up there. Looks nice. Whoa, this is also pretty steep. Which way should we go? On the bridge, or... I think we should go on the bridge. This one doesn't have any railings. Okay, have to be careful. Okay, so there's some nice waterfall over there, from where the steep part is, I think. Let's keep walking. Okay. Oh, there's a little like pathway or something down there. Whoa, look at that. So cool. Oh. There's some nice plants there. Whoa, there's a lot of trees up there. What? Okay, so we're here, and there's some rocks over. Oh no, I didn't see that puddle, and I stepped in it, and now my toe is cold. Some rocks up there. Looks like okay. Ooh, that is a nice view. Okay, so we're at this nice mini waterfall area, and some nice little mini ones. Oh, there's a big log over there that makes it look nice. There's a steep there, so I better not jump down there. Okay, some trees blocking the view, that's fine. Whoa, it's like a tree thing, but without the leaves. Oh, another bridge over here. And again without railings. A bit weird, but okay. Oh look, there's a footpath things. we go forward? Oh, look at that. There's a tiny one right there. There's a big one like, oh, there's even some money. Okay, so we are going up this like mini pathway or something, built with mini bricks, I guess. Where are we even going? Oh, there's some more purple flowers over there, or maybe pink. I don't know. Oh, this is hard to climb. Oof, there's some more purple flowers, but different. Oh, and some pink flowers this time. Where are we even going? This is long. There's a snake. Baby snake. And
no, it's like a worm.
Do not step on it. You do not, please. Do not step on things. Okay, this is taking so long. Okay, we've been walking for like a long time. Well, it feels like an hour. I wonder if there's an ever, like, if it ever stops. Well, oh, now it stops, but there's still a path there. I guess we'll keep on going. This is even more difficult now because of the rocks. Hopefully we don't get lost here. Okay, so we reached this part. We can keep on going. There's a bunch of puddles here. Huh? And we can see the whole view there. I don't know, but it's kind of hard to see. We can keep on going. You want to? Okay, I guess we'll keep on going. Oh, there's some more pink flowers, but it looks nicer and bigger this time. Okay, now, oh, we can also go that way. There's some more footmarks. Should we go this way or keep on going straight? Okay. Now the rocks are even larger and sticking up from the ground. Oh, it's steep. Oh. Whoa. Holy. And now the path is getting smaller. Oh. Okay, look at that view over there. I don't know if you guys can actually see it clearly, but it looks really nice. And there's the buildings and there's some grasslands. Where did this path even go to? Maybe it goes to a little cliff. Ooh. Oh, it goes even deeper. I wonder how it looks from where we are, if we're like over there and people are looking at us. I wonder how it looks. Oh, now the rocks are clearing up, but now it's very thin, I guess. Whoa, how do we walk on this thing? Oh, okay, more rock. Whoa. More rock.
Whether you're going down, so where do
What?
we go there?
Yeah.
Do we even go turn back?
And then we'll go over there? Let's check. Oh, we can check the view over there. Okay, that's the view. Very big. Oh, that looks so cool. Okay, there's a mini tree over here. Whoa. Can keep going. I think we should turn back soon. Oh, this is... yeah, maybe we should just keep going just a little bit and then climb back. Because, oh, go on the big rocks. Okay, I'm stuck.
Let's go back.
Okay, let's go back. Ah, itchy plant.
You want me to take it?
No. I'm still recording. Okay. I'm going this way. Oh, now there's so many rocks. And we gotta climb the way back, which took about 30 minutes, probably. Okay, go on this now. Okay, now the hard parts to go on. Oh, that's a fly on me. Okay, just keep going like this. To the side. Oh, there's some more flowers. And nice view.